have to open these up here and see what's inside. Ooh, Popcornies invoice. Hello. Those AK-74 mags. And if you can see that, hey, we got Ishvesk. Ho 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 ho. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. Yes. Yes. Anything else in there? Nope. Okay. They appear to be in good condition. Got trench art and scratches on them, maybe from Chechnya or who knows, but there is Ishvesk. They got that star and triangle. They got that triangle and arrow. Wow. We'll have to do more in depth in that later. Okay. What's in here though? Alright, got this small box opened up. Another invoice. Ooh. What's this be? Dang it. If you can. Hey, hey, hey. That, ladies and gentlemen, is an original East German AK-74 muzzle brake. It's chrome lined from start to finish, and it has a zigzag cut pattern. Come on, focus in. You can see kind of there, and you can definitely see it from there. And that is much heavier, much more stout than the one I currently have on my gun, which this will be replacing. Ha! Sweet! Well, that's my order so far. I think I got a few more things coming in, and we shall see. Take care, guys.